you came from the roots in the Ruckus world as the sales acceleration group, but now you're the channel chief and VP of global channels. Talk to me a little bit about how your channel program has evolved since you've been at Ruckus, and what are people really excited about with the channel?
Yeah, it's a great question. I would say, admittedly, over the past couple of years, we've all lived it. Our focus has been very much with our partners. Main priority has been transacting business, right? It's been supply chain, and all of those things have been so focused on ensuring people have the kit and people could implement. And so, proactive planning, sitting down and really putting together what's the future going to look like and how are we going to get there together hasn't been as important.
Sure.
But that's in the past, thankfully, right? We're looking back on that and we're saying, okay, all right, guys, supply chain is really caught up. Things are moving, at a much faster clip. Proactive planning is very, very important for us. So what are we doing? We're taking our resources and we're focusing all of our resources, be that talent, marketing, development, funding, whatever that might be, and we're saying, for those partners who want to lean in with us, we are going to lean in with them.
Yep.
Right, and we're going to sit down and talk about their business and what we call business alignment workshop, type style.
Yep.
Where we're going to understand more about their business, where they're headed.
Yep.
Where they're struggling, where their pain might be, and we're going to collaborate and put together plans to help them achieve those goals through subject matter expertise, whether that's funding, being side by side and going into the market and helping sell, campaigning, those types of things. And I think that's going to be a big deal for us because people do business with people. Yep. And we want to make sure those relationships with our partners are better. The best in the industry, they're valuable, and we're in there adding that value, helping our partners look good and achieve the goals that they have.
Awesome.